Burmese opposition leader Aung San Suu Kyi was released from her 7-year term of house arrest by the military junta. We caught up with the spokesman of Amnesty International, Niall Cooper, and asked him about the significance of her release.
The world has actually been a bit fooled by how important her release is. We're astonished by the fantastic, jubilant scenes that we've seen of her release. But Aung San Suu Kyi is just but one individual among 2,200 political prisoners in the country, and we need to continue to focus on those and all the other human rights violations that are happening in Burma. So yes, it is important, and yes, it is going to be a rallying cry for lots of the people within Burma, but there is so much more that we need to continue to concentrate on.
Do you think the release is an attempt to distract the international community from the problems of ordinary life in Burma?
Sadly, this is almost a PR stunt. Yes, it's a fantastic PR stunt, and it's brilliant for Aung San Suu Kyi, and it's wonderful news across the global community, and you've seen those scenes. However, there is still so much more that needs to be concentrated on. We cannot let that release be an excuse for the likes of India and China to suddenly say we can re-engage with Burma, because there is so many other human rights issues that need to be addressed. It's a country where torture is commonplace, child labour happens on a regular basis, where people have moved to jails thousands of miles away from their homes and restricted with don't have the adequate medical or food supplies. So it's happening all the time. There are so many other issues that need to be addressed. The release of one woman, however iconic, however important, however much she's been a global focus, really does not change the situation for the people in Burma.